Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Seddiesnowz, and I welcome you back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, I highly welcome you to the family. Thank you for stopping by. But if you are a returning subscriber, well, hello there, how are you doing? Thank you for coming back, and so guys, a very quick one. Today I just decided to share with you guys one of the easiest ways to get rid of dry and itchy scalp. Recently I've been having itchy scalp and it's been really gross, very serious. I get itchy on my scalp and it makes me feel very uncomfortable. So I was researching several ways on how to get rid of itchy scalp, and I came across so many remedies, natural remedies actually, and almost all the natural remedies I found always had something to do with aloe vera. So I decided to try one, and it said aloe vera and oil. So this particular one I want to use, they said aloe vera and avocado oil, but I don't have avocado oil, but they said you can go with any oil at all that you have, any natural oil. So I think I'll go with olive oil because that's what I have at home, and I decided to do it so all of you would see. So I don't know if this is going to work for me though, but I'm just going to try it, and if it does work, then yes, I can recommend it to you guys. But if it doesn't, then just take it that I'm using myself as a scapegoat. So if it doesn't work, you guys, you know that you're not supposed to try it out. Well, but it depends though, because it might work for me and not work for another person. It might work for you and not work for me, but I'm still going to try it out, and hopefully it gets rid of my dry and itchy scalp. And recently I've had loss of hair. My hair hasn't been healthy, and I know that if your scalp is not healthy, then there's no way your hair will be healthy. So I'm trying to treat the scalp and moisturize it and make it well, so I can have my good hair back. So guys, I'm going to go cut the aloe vera plant now. We have one tiny aloe vera plant at the back of the house, so I'm going to get one from there and I'll see you guys later. So guys, this is the aloe vera plant. You can see that it's not big, it's just coming up, and you can see that other small ones are springing up here. I think there are like 4 extra here, 1 2 3 4, and then this is the bigger plant. So I'll just get one. I feel like I should get this, but it seems this one is bigger and I need something that will be very sufficient. So I think I would go with this. So I'll just cut it from the root. 1 second. Yes, just get this from the roots and off I go. So I'm just going to wash this. I'll wash it thoroughly. And then I'll just slice it. From the top and the bottom, and then I'll slice it by the side. I'm just doing this to create room for me to be able to extract the juice. And then I'll cut out the outer skin, the top layer. Now what I need is this gel, the jelly part. Then I'm going to slice it out. This is the part I need, the gel. So I'm trying to just creep it out. I don't want any extra gel to be left on the skin. So this is the aloe vera gel. This is it, and according to the recipe it says I have to blend this nicely with any oil of my choice. So I'm gonna use this Goya extra virgin olive oil together with this. So I'm going to go blend this now, and I'll see you guys after everything is well blended. Welcome back, guys. So this is the aloe vera versus Goya virgin olive oil that I blended, and I let this sit in the fridge for like 10 minutes. Wasn't less, but I just let this sit in the fridge for a while. So now I've sectioned my hair into two, and I'm just going to start applying this in my scalp. That is just what you need to do. Make sure you apply it in your scalp and massage it. Massage it and make another part. And massage again. So that is just what you keep doing. You apply, massage, apply, massage, apply, massage until you're done. Hello there, I'm back, guys. I've washed off the aloe vera mixture from my hair, and my hair feels very soft. It feels so soft and super moisturized. I'm telling you guys, I'm not kidding. I mean, I should do this more often. I'm going to try this as often as I can, and hopefully I get the results that I want. First of all, I want to say that when I was applying the aloe vera onto my scalp, at the moment I was applying it, I was actually feeling very itchy. I was feeling so itchy on my scalp, and in the process of massaging the aloe vera into my hair, I mean, it felt so good because it was as though I was scratching my hair. You understand me? So I was feeling very itchy at the moment, and then like 5 minutes after I covered the shower cap, after I applied the aloe vera, I stopped feeling any form of itch whatsoever. I couldn't feel itchy again, which I feel it's a very good start, because I think it actually did the job. So I noticed that I wasn't feeling itchy on my scalp anymore. And then guys, when I was ready to wash off the aloe vera, my hair felt really soft. It was as though I applied conditioner onto my hair and I hadn't applied anything. I made a mistake. I would have showed you guys my hair before I shampooed it, but I want you guys to know that I feel a lot better and my hair feels very soft. It feels so soft and moisturized. So guys, let us check the scalp. Can you guys see how clean the scalp is before? Guys, look how clean that is. Before, even when I washed my hair, I would still feel like I can see flaky stuff on my scalp, but then I can't see anything now after washing the hair. So guys, I think this is actually going to work for me, and I'm going to keep trying it and trying it and trying it, and then hopefully the itchiness clears off completely. So guys, I think I'm gonna recommend this. But that's all for today guys. I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like and how I feel. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and look forward to the next one. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. So guys, if you love the video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section, and make sure you share the video as well, and don't forget, don't skip ads. Yes guys, that's all for today. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.